Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will see third lesson, indices and cube root. First of all, we will see what is meant by indices. It is a plural form of index. Then what is meant by index? Index says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. And this index always write above the base numbers. Now see this example. 4 raised to 3 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. Here 4 is the base and 3 is the index. In another example, 5 is the base and 4 is the index. Okay, means always we write index above the base. Okay, now some laws of indices are given here, but if A and B are the real number, they are greater than 0 and is not equal to 1, and M and N are also real numbers, then this law. First law is based on the multiplication, then division, then bracket, then power of 0, then negative powers, etc. Okay. Now first law we will see, if the two terms have the same base, here base is A, here also base is A. Index are different, that is M and N. Multiplication occurs in the same base, then we should add this index. How? Is equal to A raised to M plus N. How? Means A raised to M into A raised to N is equal to A raised to M plus N. Now second law is based on the division. If the two terms have the same base, here base is A, and index are different, and if division is there, then we can get A raised to M minus N. Okay, here multiplication was there, then we add this number, here we subtract this number. Then third bracket, A into B bracket close raised to M is equal to A raised to M into B raised to M. Then power of 0 means A raised to 0 is equal to 1. For example, 5 raised to 0 is equal to also 1. 50 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 1000 raised to 0 is equal to also 1. Correct. Then fifth, A minus M, this is the negative power, is equal to 1 upon A raised to M. Then sixth law, in bracket A raised to M bracket close bracket raised to N is equal to A raised to M N. Multiplication of these two index. Seventh, in bracket A upon B bracket close raised to M is equal to A raised to M upon B raised to M. And last law is bracket A upon B bracket raised to minus M is equal to B upon A bracket raised to M. Okay. These are some laws of indices. With the help of this, we can solve the problems. Always remember, square of a number is shown by writing the number with index 2. आपल्याला 4चा स्क्वेअर दाखवायचा आहे, तर आपण काय करतो, 4च्या डोक्यावरती 2 लिहितो, म्हणजेच काय 4 into 4 झालं, ते 4चा स्क्वेअर झाला असं आपण म्हणतो. ओके, तसं द स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ अ नंबर इज रिटन बाय शोविंग इंडेक्स ॲज अ 1 upon 2. स्क्वेअर रूट जर दाखवायचं असेल तर एकतर आपण हे रॅडिकल साईन दाखवतो, किंवा त्या नंबरच्या डोक्यावरती काय लिहितो, 1 upon 2. Above the number we can write the 1/2. तसंच क्यूब जर दाखवायचं असेल तर आपण काय करतो, चा आपल्याला क्यूब दाखवायचा आहे तर त्याच्यावरती काय लिहायचं 3. आणि क्यूब रूट दाखवायचं असेल तर एकतर आपल्याला 2 मेथड आहेत. च्या वरती आपण 1/3 लिहू शकतो किंवा हा रॅडिकल साइन काढून आपण इथे 3 लिहू शकतो. ओके.